every time she docked. She is the ship. She is the pronoun of ship is she. Okay? Hindi na siya American. Okay? And the two men gathered her all the time. Yeah. Nice story ni Raquel when she tells the story kaya mo sa ikaw. Ito na to family farm tradition. So, di ba, nag-issue ko ba niya si Raquel before siya makakuha sa Maria Cacao story. Kapisunog, okay? Kapisino kay sinunog man siya. Okay, so kapisino. So ato buhaton sa walang mais kani karaan pero karon na naman tay numero 14. Pwede na kapoy oroy. So ato ibutan diri ang mais, no? Unya mo na nga ni-develop kay ang mga gawas siya. Pero kaniwa na baguhan ang ipon. Yes. Next point. What's the next point? Mar, what's the next point, Mar? Explain intercropping system. Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So cacao with other crops. Iyan pare sin taon. Kanira nag-demo ra ko. So kuon mo na ni siya. Mo na ang galingon aron mahimong tabliya. Walay di siya pareha sa atong eleksyon na naidagdag bawas. Kani mo ura na pure, no sugar, nothing. So ang intact ang iyang mantika de cacao. Tambal sa atong mga uwat, sa atong mga sangan. Thank you. I'm a pro.
You are.
Okay, ready? Are we ready?
Yes.
Everyone, kaning
Sir Roy.
Roy, dili ka, Roy. Move, por favor. Okay. For the video, okay, ready?
There, sir.
Okay, asan naman ang videographer? At tanaw na nga sa camera. Asan na ang camera? May camera diri. Hidden camera. Okay, ready? Lights, camera, action! Here.
Ay, dapat.
Ano na work nga? Masikwati sa kayo. Second, you want it to smell? This is the smell of very healthy. Strong pa kaya ang tannins. You sip and then skip the fourth. Sip and swallow right away. Sip and swallow right away. Mas guwapa ka kung kaong kag-aslong.
Makilala mo dito sa ano?
Ang uban ni mong ukok. Sometimes, because ang mong ukok, amo na nastudihan, linghod ang
Dry niya.
linghod ang pag-harvest. Aron unahon kay aron makakwarta na punta. Message relay tayo. Kay bawal ka may lagi ang message relay. These are activities atong gihimo. Ano man, kung wala mi, ang kamo may magsangyaw sa maayong balita sa cacao. Kinutlo gikan sa masamon.
Madam Raquel.
But the last phase is there, so you have your guidebooks naman. And Raquel has something special for us. Yun nilabot gihapon si PG. Nag-uuna yung PG. Kitagang kituan. Wala nilabot. Because this is the same.
Mag-expect mo, wa? Sa kapil.
Sir, chocolate donis ka?
The exact place. This is painted 2013 and until today, napaghihapon ang chocolate painting na natin. That I need to bring back the love of cacao farming. But then again, kung ang ato ang application sa tableya, maghimo tag sikwate or champurado lang, of course I cannot encourage the farmers to plant cacao. As an artist, when I realized that cacao is the main ingredient of chocolate, I said that I found one of the hidden treasure. as an artist, I promise that cacao is my medium as an artist. So I believe in innovation, that one of the, well, I can say that one of the sustainable answer to that dream that I want to bring back to Lago cacao farming. And this is one of my innovation. If Europe has queso de bola and Italy has tartufo, this is my innovation. From tablia to bola de cacao, cacao de bola.
Wow.
So, timing ka.
So in 2016, I launched the Cacao de Bola in the United Nations in New York. I represent our country out of 22 countries all over the world. So I'm so proud and honored that I had a chance as a tableya maker to share it to the world.
Wow.
And then, what else? This one's the meat.
Yeah, so I supply, for now not yet, but we want, yes, I would like to buy that.
Okay.
Sa culture, like lang.
Ako personally unbelievable, but people who came in my journey, people who believe, the tour guide, the hotel, the embassies, I'm giving power that I will continue that dream. So again, I'm not an artist, I'm not a chocolatier, I'm a mother of 8, I'm a housewife. When I started, I'm a young mother. I asked myself why people call me the chocolate queen. In 2015, I also have doubt that why people call me the chocolate queen. But then again, I realized it is because I defied many conventions as a woman and as a Filipino. Let me tell you how my affair with chocolate began. Just go to the other room and there's my story behind. So actually,
Kani day pakit man day kaning usa.
Dili ko tamis ni Loy kay Spanish ni.
Chocolate champurrado.
Kaning sa kakao kani diri. Pero apil ni ang pizza wala.
Amo pizza of course wala. Bag kani siya apil ni.
Nani sa kakao.
It's already like imagine ang pan magpagkusi-kusi ang mga tour.
Wala kay paano ka dili apil dili
ang apil man ni siya. Ang ako mga ganahan, what's this? Pan. Pan.
Pan niya di Bisaya.
Naman ako.
Ang katulad ng kuwan, salita.
So here we have the face. So phase 6, we will have the chocolate tasting. So, wala siya, spirit of orgas.
Sa katsala. Para nung istoryahan ano nag-consa sa Norway. Sana ta.
Of course, each one of you will bring some tokens later on.
Lahit na yun ang present all the time.
Yes, and if they ask us, that's the time we can also explain to them, sir, you can put that because yours is here. Para di ka mag-isa. No, what I mean, each one of you, prepare. Para di ka mag-research, sir. Namoy kanya-kanya niya, namoy docket, at prepare.
Klaro, Jeffrey.
May siguro kayo kang explain.
Pero kung
Just in case you post it on YouTube, it's your own channel, man. So we don't have control. Chocolate tradition, and this time we want to share it with the world. As I mentioned a while ago, 2 of the children of Raquel are in Utah. They have a pop-up, and so we want to share this video of our batidores. So if you know what a batidore
Sibuante. It is made out of using pure cacao nibs known as tabea, which our grandmothers or mothers taught us how to make. For centuries, our ancestors have passed down this tradition. This humble yet refined craft, preparing sibuante with a chocolatera, gentle rhythmic motion in order to break across married ingredients together. Each movement is a tribute to the timeless art of making sibuante. As a chocolate chamber, we call them batidores. I am Angeles Batidores, the 4th generation batidores. So the word batidores actually derives from the word to beat or whisk your hot chocolate. The batter awakens the sibuante. Its continuous motion releases deep cacao aromas as the frog blooms. As your batidores, I transform this pure cacao tablet and even chocolate bar into indulging and velvety hot chocolate concoctions that celebrate Filipino traditions and its journey across the globe. Inspired by our founder chocolate queen Raquel Ochoa, also called the Biblia Maker, I carry this legacy as I created a world of chocolate beverages that celebrate global tradition. Each creation remembers its rich and diverse stories of consuming cacao or chocolate.
except us because we coined it and we had it registered. So kana lang because it's very cultural and we were one of the first to highlight that one because it's somehow it's a lost tradition and we're so happy to share it with you. PG has seen the kids grow also. So in 2011 PG started being with us, joining us for our chocolate buffet. JP was only 5 years old and Anjali was 7. Now Anjali is 21, JP is 19. Out of that, we have gratuity in terms of sales, 5%. So what else?
Minimum
5%. Minimum, actually,
So it's good time because this is actually developed because of against
Raquel, while we entertain questions, Raquel is also known as the Cacao Ambassador at Large. No less than Ambassador Wallace calls her, Raquel, you're the best person to market Philippine cacao. And he was so confident. Take it from me, I'm a marketing guy. so we're so honored for the ambassador to call. So these are part of our events when we did sa mong pagsangyaw sa mga balita sa cacao. We were in Guam, United States, in New York, in Los Angeles, in San Francisco. JP sold his painting in San Francisco, in Utah, in LA.
Wow.
So
now, wala po bang discount on tour guide?
You want to buy?
Yeah, I'm interested with the one.
that's already taken.
It is. Oh, the crucifix?
No, that one.
There's something in it from scratch.
Yes.
Okay, health conscious pa ng mga. That's why I learned a few Japanese words because of.
We connected as part of an introductory to our clients. We have VIP clients.
Pag-support sa isa't isa, I believe that we can help each other. So we are for each other and kaning gamay na to nga contribution. I believe especially tourism that po yun kaayo siya. For me, it is the tourism is the soul yun siya sa ato ang niya. So God bless tour guides because you are really the face. Pampanaan nyo ang microphone. So naan ninyo sa inyong mga tingog, sa inyong mga kamot. So God bless and God bless us.
Okay, relax. Although after the gifts are after the giveaways are given away.
Like, nahin na ba ni mo bars? Ano sa imong pay?
Yes.
Chocolate. And you have also, you can also there's always a story behind. Mas wala na ko ako sabi ang akong gift na being an artist. Because sometimes when you're an artist, the world is yours. So I promise that when I develop, there's a purpose.
Sorry, and part of that philosophy, sorry, if you have your brochure, that's part of the Cacao Legacy ni Raquel.
Thank you.
Purpose-driven creations. One more thing, eh? Sorry, Kat. Put this here again before Victoria. For Women's Month.
This is for you. Thank you. Another for sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ibalik na natin.
Balik lahat, balik lahat.
Yes, especially kaning choco corn kay Mangdaro baya ko. Mananong po
Si
ka na.
Grace ka. Si Grace.
Person say mo, oh, this is my son, my first year studying niya. Kaya mo, mananong sa iyo, mananong po mae sa una, kaya na ako nagyan na kanang Caltex bitaw, Caltex, pa-Caltex kay tawag na. Bata, kay kanang kamam.
Ali, this is AI generated. Sorry, we'll have to change it. Okay. Kani.
I also choose media to cover that, depending on the angle. It doesn't mean that you want to picture us, we will also ask what the angle of the picture.
Ala wanted to run a story of Raquel. They spoke with the producer for 6 hours. Then Raquel said, I'm not ready. So,
Maybe
that's
you're
the
ready
same.
now?
There's no more mana.
Wala naman yung malaala. They're not ready also. So, okay. To the queen.
Story that is well, of course, a gift. So we will also from Casa de Cacao.